I'm back, welcome back. I'm makeup artist at New York. ってことでね、Our Fashion Week is start! イエーイ！もうね、ニューヨークファッションウィーク終わってるんですけど、最後のパーティーで今日ね、デザイナーがサッカーのユニフォームを作ってプレゼンテーションするってことなので、チームケント&ロビン、ケビンでやってきました。This is called like Team Kevin. Right? じゃあそんな感じの中で今日はやっていくので、チェックラとベイベーでよろしくお願いします。はい、バイ。You know, the Fashion Week, when I start key makeup artists, I watch a lot of video for other makeup artists, and I'm parody.
And what?
I pick some words from them.
Okay.
Because when I do key makeup artists, always cameras coming, they start filming. And
You have
first
to be
time I
like-
said, I'm gonna do little creative makeup because my English bad. Then I got shocked. The next Fashion Week, I learn a lot from YouTube. I'm gonna do like very young, fresh skin, and people usually say do this. So, oh, that's a good idea. And then when I film coming, I'm gonna make a very young, fresh skin today and do something creative.
Yeah.
So we have to learn, getting used to.
Yeah. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Should I clip it? That's like so YouTuber, I feel like.
Yeah, you are.
With this. Is that where the thing is? I think today it's just very natural, glowy, dewy, fresh, young skin. That's what Kento says. And we're using shiny spray for the body and some body oil and maybe some blush. That's all I know. And I need coffee.
ショーの待ち時間ですよ。You have brush. Show them.
It's dirty. It's so old and broken.
Show my subscriber. この前ブリーチしとったらさ、フケが出てもて傷んでロビンにレミオロメンの粉雪教えた。粉雪ね。Yeah, it was not like snowing that time, but I just got snow.
It was snowing because of him.
Yeah, so she told me like don't wear black T-shirts.
No, I did not say that.
You told me.
No, I didn't say that.
いつも払ってくれるから優しいけど。
No, he...
めっちゃ嫌でしょ。めっちゃ嫌でしょ。This is the video first season.
Yeah.
Then after they're ready, I'm gonna do the shiny spray. So
yeah.
you wanna say a little bit?
I mean, I don't want to just like be honest with you. I already know where we're going.
Yeah.
But this pretty much this, and then
You like
yeah,
this?
I like
This?
it.
Then shiny.
Yeah, the other one was
Okay, dry.
I'm not drunk. Stop telling me that. Do you want to do any
It's
other?
good, right? Like,
No, it's not good. Don't tell me.
I'm drunk always.
My name is Taufik Abijako, and I'm the creative director for Head of State. So yeah, the brand I started, a few years ago. We're pretty much we're based in New York, and we specialize in men's and women's wear. And also, we pretty much tell stories about not just my background, but also my assimilation to Western culture. So we pretty much explore the middle ground between my Nigerian upbringing and that pretty much determines every collection we roll out and every story we tell every season. And the models will be coming from that floor. I'm not sure yet. And then the walk would be. Yeah, it's a small space, but. So Kento and I have been working for a few years now. The last project we worked on together was my show during Fashion Week in February, and it's pretty much one of my favorite collaborators. So anytime I have an opportunity with makeup, is the first one I hit up. And I feel like it's someone who's very receptive to the ideas I bring to the table. It tends to show full understanding and creates a space for me to lay it all out, and then he can put me on the right track afterwards. And I'm excited to work on future collections with him.
Y'all made the design of
Wow.
the illustration.
It's like a picture also.
Yeah, influence in here. This is my new book. It's called Palette. So basically it's a collection of photography and paintings. All my travels, all my ideas brought to life. So this is a redraw I did of this character from Samurai Troopers in Japan. It's called Ronin Warriors in America. So I redrew him, but he was the only black character. So I definitely attracted myself to him. I was like, damn, they got a black character on Samurai Troopers. I thought that was cool. Published in Paris. So make sure y'all check that out.
Yeah, I can see.
Not this shape, but more like this. You want to introduce yourself? This is our YouTube channel.
Hi, my name is Taylor, and I'm one of the models today. My Instagram is TaylorMade, TAIILORMADE.
I like this makeup. I work with him. His first runway. I did the same makeup.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah. After we can see the shiny spray to make more dewy. Yes. Thank you.
はい、
ニューヨークでサロン2店舗
はい
経営されているネイリストの静香さんです。
ブルックリンに1つと、ミッドタウンに1つ。ブルックリンは、磨くネイルサロンっていうお店で、ミッドタウンのお店はマディソン25っていうお店をやってます。
すごいですね、本当。ニューヨークのみんなぜひ遊びに行ってください。
ください。
Not this fast, not this fast. And then you walk here, and then back. And let's say I'm the first model. My station will be right here. And then you guys will line up this way. Slower. Not that slow.
こんな感じでリハーサルです。で、今から最初フィニッシュしてメイクとかフィニッシュして終わらせるから、後でねここめっちゃセレブとか来るみたいなんで撮っといてくださいね、カメラマン。
頑張ります。頑張ります。
じゃあ戻りましょう、メイクルームに。
はい。
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I also have pockets. I have wipes. Yep.
You gotta have a mind state like I'm
パーティー会場ですよ。Thank you very much for watching. ショー終わってパーティーして酔っ払ってますけど、最後お肉食べて動画終わりたいと思います。じゃあ動画良かったなと思ったらいいね、チャンネル登録、コメントのシェアでお願いします。バイ、じゃあね、バイ。
美味しいですか？
美味しい。